There's this paradox in the modern age that we have all this technology to capture all of our special moments in life, and yet this technology is actually distracting us from these moments in life. As I was in San Diego to visit my in-laws, I felt this amazing love of family, joy of being on the beach, and pure happiness in this peace. I wanted to remember these feelings in little moments. By taking out my camera or phone, I felt like I took myself out of these moments. We want to have photos that we can have to show future generations of our life, and we want to have family videos to show our kids. We carry a camera on our phone at all times, so it makes sense there is an urge to document these moments. But with social media looming, it can almost feel like things never even happened unless you take an image and publish it online. If you document your life, it can be beautiful to look back on photos and videos as they can bring back these special moments. But you have to be careful with not trying to document so much for the future that you never actually experience the present. There is a constant tug of war on being present and using the power of technology. My only advice is to be aware of why you are documenting something and make sure to not create memories so you can take a video, but take a video because you are creating memories.